Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to factory reset a Skyworth TV. Is your Skyworth TV not functioning properly and creating problems during your favorite TV shows? Now you want a factory reset of your TV? Before performing a hard reset, I usually recommend a soft reset of your TV so that you can't lose your personal data password stored in the TV. Now the soft reset is very easy to do. Just unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds, don't be impatient, then plug it back. Guys, believe me or not, this will solve many problems and you don't need to move further. Now if this doesn't care of your problem, then we will do a hard reset of your TV. Now how to do a hard reset? Power on your Skyworth TV, press source and 3195 from your remote without any pause. A factory menu will be open. Go down to restore factory defaults and press OK. It will ask for a confirmation. Click on yes. Your TV is now restored to its factory settings. You have to do the initial setup again, connecting a Wi-Fi or scan the cable channels. If you find any difficulty or questions, you can ask in comment section. We will be happy to reply them. Please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, viewers.